What's going on, my dudes? This is Math Time with Mr. G, and today we're going to talk about word problems that have a negative sign in it. So let's just talk my life for a little bit, and let's just pretend, real quick, let's pretend that I work for Uber Eats, and I get paid $950 each week that I work. Teaching, here's my salary per month. This is the rent that I pay each month. This is the cost of gas for me to commute each day. And then this is how much food and clothes that I buy each month. So let's just talk about it from positives and negatives. Me working for Uber Eats, that's a positive to my bank account. It's adding money to my bank account. Teaching, I'm making money. Money is going into my bank account. Rent takes money away. It's a bill. I have to spend it. Gas to commute, I'm spending money. I'm giving money away so I get gas. And then food and clothes each month, that's a bill too. So that's a negative. The next thing is all of my time things are represented by weeks, months, days. They're all different. So we want to make them all the same. And since I see month as the most common thing, that's the least amount of work I have to do. So I'm going to change week and day into months. So to do that, I would times this by 4 because there's 4 weeks in a month. And then days to change into months, I'm going to multiply by 30. Is there 30 in every month? No, but on most months, it's 30. So now I just need to combine all this together to see how I do. So it's plus 950, and I'm going to times that by 4, plus 2,875. I'm not going to change that because we kept it as months. Minus 4,500. And then minus 750 times 30. And then I'm going to minus 1,650. So 950 times 4 is 3,800. Plus my teaching salary minus rent minus my gas, which gets me to $225 a month, and then minus how much I spend on clothes. So all I'm going to do is add this together, subtract, subtract, subtract. And if you plugged into your calculator correctly, you should have gotten $300. So at the end of the month, with Uber Eats, teaching, all of my bills, I have $300 left to spend on fun things like going to the mall or whatever. So I want you to pause the video. I want you to write down all of these words. So what each of these words means is each, per, every, that means times. So when it said each day, per day, every day, that's why we multiplied in the first one by 4. Each week by 4. Each month we multiplied by 1. Each day multiplied by 30. So every time you see these words, we're going to multiply. Every time we see the word spend, withdraw, take, bill, drop, change, we are going to minus or subtract. So each one of my bills I subtracted. Save, deposit, give, earn, increase. That means we're going to add. We're going to put money in our bank account. Anytime we see words like parts, separate, groups, or average, we're going to divide. And then anytime we see is or the same, that means to put an equal sign. So Mr. Gardner's salary times each week is equal to the principal's salary each day, whatever. Miss Gardner's is principals. Okay? So that's it. Just be kind to one another, ask lots of questions, and think deeply.